Hey everyone, it's Marguerite from the DIY Duo on this beautiful sunny day. And today's video is all about restoring the luster and the vibrancy and the color to your molding. And there's several companies out there that offer products for it. I have used this before, and I'll get up close so everyone can see it, the CarGuys. I've done it before, and believe it or not, it's lasted a really long time. There's no product that's going to provide any sort of permanent luster and color, but I found this to be one of the products that lasts the longest. And I'm actually going to take this off the GoPro and kind of walk around the car so that you could see, you know, depending on where it's sitting in the sun and how often and what parts of the car are getting more sun than others, you're going to see the difference in the what I'll call the lacklusterness, but this is going to take care of it. Okay, so if I walk around the car, obviously this is the back bumper of the car. It's probably the dullest. And it may be hard because maybe the sun, you know, is throwing some shadows on here, but you can see a big difference between this piece of the molding that kind of covers the door and the window latches versus the bumper. And if I start to walk around, I mean, you can see this is just a stripy, ugly, dull mess. And if we keep walking around, you know, you can see unevenness in color. And this is going all the way around the car. And when I'm done with it, what it's gonna look like, and if I go and show the Audi, you see a nice, rich plastic color. I have not had to do anything like this to the Audi because it stays in the garage all the time for the most part. But when I'm done using the CarGuys, you're gonna see the vibrancy come back to the Escape as well. So there's nothing secretive to what you have to do here. Basically, instructions are to shake this well, put it on the applicator. I have no idea where the applicator went. That's on John. But instead, I found a sock he doesn't want to use anymore, and that's going to be my applicator. And all you really do is put a little bit on the applicator, you rub it in, you give it some time, and then you take a clean cloth and you kind of rub off the excess. And I'll show you real quick, just in a section, what that looks like. And then once you see it, I'm going to be going all the way around the car to do it. Sorry, that was a bug walking on my arm. They think it's a nice day out here today too. All right, so watch. Can you see? Can you see the difference already? And this car, again, this is a 2002. It needs a lot of love. And it stays in the sun. It just bakes in the sun all day, every day. So it needs a lot of love. But I'm hoping that you can already see a big difference in just this little area that I did. I'm gonna go across the whole entire bumper. I'm gonna let it sit for a moment, and then I'm gonna buff it. And I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. We're back where we started. Look at the difference. Everything is done. I will say, gotta put some elbow grease in. It does take time. Took me a couple of hours, but what a difference. I'm gonna take this off the GoPro and I'm gonna walk around the car, and you're gonna see a big difference in what this car looks like. And it's now a respectable piece of machinery to put back on the road. Okay, we are walking around. And look at that, John comes home just in time after the job is done. I even did up the roof racks. What a difference, right? Let me go Maybe one day if I'm feeling adventurous, I'll clean out all the honeycombs and do that as well. But big difference. Big difference.